Paying off debt does not mean you have to give up your favorite things. Here are 5 creative ways to lower your debt while still enjoying life and your daily coffee. To get started, think about renting out a skill you have, not just a room or space. You could teach someone how to use a camera, help with writing, or lead a city tour. This lets you earn extra money using what you already know and enjoy. Websites like Airbnb Experiences or Chegg Tutors let you set your own hours and prices. Any money you make from these activities can go straight to paying off your debt. It is flexible and does not require you to change your main job. Using your skills in this way helps you make progress on debt without giving up your free time or happiness. Every dollar earned can help you reach your financial goals faster. It is a smart way to use what you already have. Recommendation number 2. Try a short-term spending freeze challenge. For example, you could avoid online shopping for 30 days or cook all your meals at home for a week. Write your challenge on a calendar or share it with a friend to help you stay on track. At the end, add up what you saved and send that amount to your debt. This method is not about saying no forever, just for a short time. It helps you notice spending habits and can make a real difference without feeling like a sacrifice. Short-term challenges can be fun and help you see results quickly. You might even find new ways to save money in the future. These small changes can add up over time. And number 3, barter for services instead of paying cash. You can trade your skills, like fixing computers, for something you need, such as tutoring or yard work. Websites like Simbi or Buns make it easy to find people who want to trade. This way, you get what you need without spending money. The money you save by bartering can go directly toward your debt. Trading services is a smart way to meet your needs and make progress on your finances. Bartering helps you connect with others and use your talents in new ways. It is a creative solution that does not require extra spending. Every trade can help you get closer to being debt-free. Sit. Number 4. Sell 20 items in 20 days to turn clutter into cash. Look for things you do not use, like tools, clothes, or electronics, and list them on sites like Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Each time you sell something, put that money into your debt account right away. This gives you quick wins and helps you see real progress. Selling unused items frees up space at home and puts real cash toward your financial goals. It is a simple way to make a difference fast. You might be surprised by how much value is hidden in your home. Turning clutter into cash can be motivating. Every sale brings you one step closer to your goal. Finally, use found money, like tax refunds or bonuses, to pay down debt. Try sending 90% of any extra money you get to your debt and keep 10% to enjoy. Since you were not counting on this money, using it for debt does not change your daily life. Using found money is a smart way to pay off debt faster. You still get to enjoy a small reward. Over time, these extra payments can really add up. It can make a big difference to your balance over time. This rule helps you get ahead without feeling deprived. Found money can be a powerful tool for reaching your financial goals. As a recap, here are 5 creative ways to reduce debt without giving up coffee. Rent out your skills, try a short-term spending freeze, barter for services, sell 20 items in 20 days, and use found money for debt payments. Each idea is practical and can help you make real progress. Check back on this channel, The Xennial Files, for future advice.